But there's a few things that once you come to Canada, there's a few things you try. I guess it's poutine, Tim Hortons, Skor. Do they have Skor in the
They
UK?
don't have Skor in the
Okay,
UK.
DQ,
Oh,
DQ Skor. So Adam's such an amateur. He first comes to Canada and we got one of these ice cream Skor things, DQ, and he got a Smarties. We were like, don't get a Smarties one. You need to get a Skor one.
yeah, yeah.
I like Smarties.
Because that's how I sound.
Oh, Robbie, I love Smarties. I won't touch Skor. And then he got Skor, and obviously this is way better.
Oh, it's amazing. Yeah, fair enough. I eat my words.